Hello everyone. So very soon you will be filling in your ISB PGP YL applications. There are a few sections in the application that you need to take note of while filling up the application. So this is what the application walkthrough series is going to be all about. We'll share some details that you need to know section by section. So the section that I'm taking up today is the education details section of your ISB PGP YL application. Once you are filling up the education details in the ISB PGP YL application, you need to first put in the details of your class 12 scores, and then you need to put in any of the degrees, that is a bachelor's or an integrated degree, or you can add a professional degree as well. It can be something like a CA or an MBBS degree that you can also add as your qualification in the education section. Now, let's say you have multiple degrees. In case you have multiple degrees, then enter one in the main education section and list the other additional degrees in the other courses section. Don't put all of them in the same place. So let's say you have 2 bachelor's degrees, then your main degree comes under the education section in this particular application form, and the other degree goes into the other section, other courses section of the ISB PGP YL application, which will be another 2-3 steps away. So what do you need to upload over here? You will need to upload the transcripts of all the completed semesters and combine multiple documents into a single PDF. If the documents are not in English, please get the translations done and merge the original and the translations or the translated versions into a single PDF and then upload it. Let's say if you had study abroad program or an exchange program during your graduation studies, then you don't need to list that separately. It will be mentioned as a part of your graduation semester transcript. So you don't need to put that separately in the education section. Now, for the MBBS and the BDS applicants, your internships will count as the full-time work experience. You need to enter these as part-time in the education section, list them as full-time in the employment section. And this is the same approach that the master's degree holders in the medical profession can also use for their master's degrees as well. Let's say you are a candidate who is a chartered accountancy holder and you are a chartered accountant, then your articleship, so this will not count towards the work experience eligibility for the ISB PGP or the ISB PGP YL application process. You can list it in the education section as full-time and enter it as part-time in the professional experience section, the articleship period. So overlapping full-time activities is not allowed. So make sure that whenever you're filling up the application form, it will throw up an error if you're overlapping multiple education activities or education with the professional activities. So there should be no overlap of the time span. And then if your institution is not there in the drop-down list, then you need to go towards the queries section within the application portal, raise a query over there, make it known to the admissions team that your institution is not listed there, and they will help you out with that. And if there are multiple documents that need to be uploaded, please merge all of them into a single PDF and then upload it. And there's a very hands-on efficient section within the application portal, which is the queries section. If you have any queries, you can always put in that particular question in that box, and most likely it will be answered ASAP. We have seen it with the PGP and the other applications as well. It's a very efficient system. The first go-to link where you can put up a query if you have anything with respect to the application process. So all the best, and we'll be coming up with the next section of your ISB PGP YL application form shortly. In case you need any help with your essays or the application form filling, get in touch with us. We will be, and like and share this video for anybody who will find it useful.